Hello, thank you for watching this Harmony railing installation video. In this segment, we're going to discuss the installation of our pre-kitted 1.5" ADA handrail. Prior to starting any aluminum railing project, ensure you have the proper tools and safety protection. We recommend the following tools: miter saw with a sharp, non-ferrous, high-tooth count saw blade, cordless drill with a 6-inch No. 2 square drive bit, tape measure, level, pencil, and safety glasses. ADA railings are special order items which are available directly from the manufacturer and require up to a 14-day lead time. ADA hand railing products are available in black, white, and bronze. There are 3 Harmony ADA rail kits. Kit 1 includes Kit 2 includes Kit 3 includes To get started with the installation of the ADA handrail between 2 posts, temporarily install the 90-degree returns at the top and bottom post. Finished ADA handrails must be installed at a distance of 34 inches to 38 inches from the nose of the stair tread. The maximum span between post supports should be 6 feet or less on center. Measure between the 90-degree returns and cut the ADA pipe rail 1/8 inch short of the measured distance. Remove the temporarily installed 90-degree returns. Place joint ring covers on the 90-degree returns and slide the ADA pipe rail onto the 90-degree returns. Insert backer plate into the 3-inch post between the screw chases. Secure the 90-degree returns to the 3-inch post with the self-tapping screws. Insert 2 self-tapping screws into the ADA pipe rail near the joint ring, securing the pipe rail to the 90-degree return, both top and bottom locations. Installation of the ADA pipe rail where spans are longer than 2 posts. Temporarily install the 90-degree returns at the top and bottom post. Finished ADA handrails must be installed at a distance of 34 inches to 38 inches from the nose of the stair tread. The maximum span between the post supports should be less than 6 feet on center. Measure between the 90-degree returns and cut 2 pipe rails so that the splice lands directly on the line post. Remove temporarily installed 90-degree returns. Place joint cover on the lower 90-degree return and slide 1 ADA pipe rail onto the 90-degree return. Insert second ADA pipe rail with splice insert into the first ADA pipe rail. Place joint ring on the 90-degree turn and slide the second ADA pipe rail onto the 90-degree turn. Insert backer plate into the upper and lower 3-inch posts between the screw chases. Secure 90-degree return to the 3-inch post with the self-tapping screws. Place backer plate into the line post and secure bracket to the post. Ensure the height of the ADA rail is installed at a height between 34 inches and 38 inches. Secure ADA pipe rail to the wall bracket. Insert 2 self-tapping screws into the ADA pipe rail near the joint ring, securing the pipe rail to the 90-degree return, both top and bottom locations.